Good morning. Today I would like to do a little bit of explaining. I would like to start at the very beginning just so all context is out of the way. Last May of 2025, we made a decision to move in with my dad. My dad wasn't the healthiest, but he was okay. We weren't the most financially stable, but we were okay. We thought if we blended everything together, everything would go pretty well. It also gave us a house to live in again, as we were back living in apartments at the time. It gave us a place to do our garden, our dream garden. As I said, my dad wasn't the healthiest, but he was okay. He was able to go to work. He was able to cook for himself. He took care of himself. But rapidly, 6 months later, he ended up in the hospital. He was then in the hospital for 3 months. He was transferred to a rehab/nursing home facility for a little while, but then he ended up coming back home here in February of 2026. He came home a different person. I had to take care of him. Alix had to take care of him. Other people have had to step in and give him rides and also help take care of him. A lot of hospital visits, nurse visits, checkups, what have you. I was told it wouldn't be long, but we were given an additional 5 months. Today is June 24th, Wednesday, June 24th. He is still with us. He is, matter of fact, just in the other room as I talk right now, but he is not well. He is officially on hospice. He has accepted a lot of what's to come here over the next few days. We do not have much time left. I've been assured, double assured, reassured, and I've been seeing it myself. I am in this home 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Since Sunday, on Father's Day, he's rapidly gone downhill day by day. I will be saying my goodbyes very, very soon. And all this being said, it very much put a damper on the recording, the editing, the planting, the weeding. Everything that we've planned to do in the garden has been a little bit harder to do. Then Alix took on this CNA program that she's actually doing. She's fast-tracking her way through her schooling, and the CNA program was one way to help that. With the CNA program, she's been gone in the mornings Monday through Thursday, and we've been busy, very busy otherwise, and so it's been hard for her to even come back and do any work. So with all these big changes and everything that we very much weren't expecting, it put more than a damper on all of this. As of right now, I have quite a bit of footage to go through and edit and put up on YouTube. But day by day, I'm very busy. In these past couple of days, I have had to pay much, much more attention to not just my dad, but I also take care of our kids. And it's not spoken about on the channel, but I actually take care of Alix's brother, my brother-in-law. He requires help, that's all I'll say. And I have had to pull triple duty taking care of all these people, and it's been one of the more challenging things I've probably ever had to endure mentally and emotionally. So I finally decided I wanted to just get this video up to fully explain really what's been going on, where we've been at, why footage wouldn't be regular. I was tired of putting off all these videos with no explanation, and so I asked Alix this morning, could I just make a video? We get it out today, hopefully, that I can explain everything that's been going on. There will be videos to come, and as we move on to the next stage of our lives without my father, we will be trying to get back to some form of normal content. The last thing I want to say on the matter is it wasn't just the recording, it was also we held back a lot of what we wanted to do. We planned to live here for a long time, and then when we found out he was passing, we weren't sure when he would pass, how long we had, and if we would even be able to live here once he's gone. Financially, logically, there's a lot of different things in the way where we were wondering if we could even continue our garden here. So we did what we could. We built our fence, we have our area, but we would take up more. We would do more if we knew that this was our forever home, or even just a more permanent home than what we were led to believe for these past few months. So next year, expect the garden to change even more, expect it to expand, Hopefully by then our lives will have ironed out a little bit more, and I will have a schedule for recording and editing and uploading. I will also be handling all of everything from here on out. Up till now, Alix has also been doing the thumbnails. She schedules the videos. She does the final stuff in post before you guys see it. With her being in school, it's been another thing. She forgets to do a thumbnail or whatever. I will be actually fully taking over that side of the channel. So we have a lot to get used to. We have a lot of changes. We have a lot of things coming our way. I hope you guys have enjoyed the B-roll of the garden that I've been showing while I've been talking. Everything that you are seeing B-roll was taken today, June 24th. It is as the garden is now, and I'm excited to show you all the footage before all of this, when the plants started to finally take off. The good, the bad, the good, the bad, and the bugly. We've dealt with a lot of bugs, so sorry for the terrible pun. So I hope you enjoy seeing how the garden is now. Hopefully we will have some more footage soon explaining really how everything is doing, some stuff that we've harvested. You haven't seen Site B in a little bit, and Site B is doing pretty well. I have a lot of stuff to show you, but I have a lot of stuff that I have to handle right now as we are saying our final goodbyes over the next few days or week. We still don't know how much time we have, but the decline has been scarily rapid. Thank you all so much for tuning in to every video. Thank you for tuning into videos since I've been more a part of them. Thank you for gardening with us. Thank you for sticking by our sides even through these breaks. I wasn't sure how to start this video. I wasn't sure how to end this video. So I will just say again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything. Stay tuned for all the footage that I have already taken that just needs thrown through the production cycle. And we'll see you soon. We'll see you soon enough. Thanks.